So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when what you call threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious, subconscious, and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself is personality and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself